The in-depth topic of research is on the Diceronius sumatransis species, or otherwise commonly known as the Sumatran rhinoceros. They are one of the most highly threatened mammals on Earth. This species was once distributed across Southeast Asia, but now fewer than 50 are left in the wild, living within isolated forests of Indonesia's Sumatra and Borneo islands. The population decrease is not due to only one contributing factor, but a range of human-driven destruction factors that created a domino effect, such as habitat loss, poaching, and infertility due to scattered populations. Throughout researching this topic, I have come to the conclusion that the demolition of the tropical woodland is largely due to the establishment of coffee plantations and reoccurring wildfires that have destroyed a significant portion of the rhinoceros's original habitat. As the woodland shrinks, the rhinoceroses are forced to migrate to much smaller habitats, making their access to reproduction and food supplies minimal. At the same time, the horns of Sumatran rhinoceroses, which are poached and then sold on the black market at exponentially high rates, are making a significant contribution to the eradication of the species. The amalgamation of these factors has caused the species to the brink of extinction, with their population dropping by 93% in just 36 years. So why should it concern us? The extinction of the Sumatran rhinoceros not only means the end of a species, but it also means the loss of ecosystem stability, biodiversity, and cultural heritage throughout Southeast Asia. Regardless of the species, they all play a detrimental role in maintaining a balance throughout the ecosystem. More specifically, the loss of the Sumatran rhinoceros could have a long-term ripple effect throughout society, primarily affecting the climate, vegetation in the woodlands, and other species. Therefore, if nothing is done, the Sumatran rhinoceros could vanish after living on Earth for millions of years. Therefore, what is possible? Some methods that can be implemented to help Sumatran rhinoceroses include creating more breeding programs, increasing the numbers of anti-poaching rangers in the regions, and undertaking habitat rebuilding efforts to make a difference. For these methods to be implemented, however, more international funding is needed, along with stronger community-based efforts and further research into technological innovations. It is, however, possible individually that you can contribute to this on a smaller scale by avoiding products associated with forest destruction. By combining lasting economic growth with ecological responsibilities, it is possible to then create a subsequent reality where wildlife and humans can coexist in harmony. It is essential to protect Sumatran rhinoceroses, not just to save the species, but also to protect and maintain environmental equilibrium.